Welcome. Today in front of me Realme Narzo 50A Prime, and I'll show you how to create home screen folders on this device. So first, hold for a while the application and drag this up to another one, and as can you see, we just successfully created the new home screen folder on our device screen. By the same way, we can add here more applications by the same. Also here, we can click to edit name to give a name or to rename the folder if you want. For example, I'll go with the apps. Click here to OK, and as can you see, we just successfully renamed our home screen folder here. If you want, we can move this folder on the screen by this way. Just hold and drag it, for example, to the first screen. Also, we can move it to the new screen, so we can create also the screens with the folders if you want. And we can also go back here, and if you want to stay with this app on the home screen, just hold it and drag it here to the home screen. But if you want, you can also remove this application from the home screen, but don't worry, this app will stay also here in your apps menu. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.